very new. We are doing the mystery ingredients challenge, the quarantine edition. और कौन edition कर सकते हैं, right? So we asked some of our friends or followers to send us the ingredient that they like, and it is also available in our homes, and we'll make a dish with that. So we got 7 ingredients over the past few days sent to us by people from different locations, and we are making a dish that even we don't know what it is.
Yeah, so we will figure it out as we go along.
Yes, so she's the chef today. My sister Priyanka, she'll be making the dish. So this is how we received all these ingredients over the past few days. Potato, milk, coriander, tomato, cheese and butter. We have to make a dish out of it. Oh god.
Milk, butter, cheese. You know, and it can actually be like a full meal.
That can also be done. Great, right? So we thought. So see how we thought over, days, and I discussed it with her. What do we make? It kind of sounds like a MasterChef challenge, right? We used to watch the mystery box challenge.
But we are not master chefs.
We are not. So let's get into the dish. And do you have an idea of what you're cooking today?
No, I think we should discover.
Let's go. Let us see what we can make with these ingredients, and let's make the best of it. Subscribe.
So we are heating a small kadhai, okay, and we'll be adding the first ingredient, which is the butter, to it. Okay, so you can see the butter has melted and it is starting to brown. So before the butter burns, we're going to add a bit of garlic and ginger to it. We'll add the potatoes to this mix. So I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes for this and about 6 cloves of garlic. Already boiled and completely done. So the idea is to mash the potatoes along with the ginger and the garlic. So what we decided to do with the tomatoes is that we'll make a clean cut on the top like this and scoop out the inside and start scooping it out. And when it is scooped up, you will see a nice hollowed tomato that you can use to fill up whatever it is that you want to. In our case, it is potatoes that are getting done. Adding a bit of salt to this, bit of pepper. Nice and silky is a splash of milk. So when we were thinking about the dish, the milk started to become a pain point because these are all savory ingredients and we didn't know how the milk would go with it. But then we thought mashed potatoes and milk actually go very well. So we have our next ingredient, which is the cheese. So we are going to be grating some of this cheese into the potatoes. So I'm going to be adding about half the cheese cube into this. Mashed the potatoes completely and added the ginger and the garlic and the cheese and the milk. So our mashed potato is ready. Okay, so we're adding a bit more butter to the wok because we will be preparing the onions for garnishing. So we'll add the onions. So we have our basic prep done. The tomatoes are ready, the potatoes are ready to go. We have prepared our garnishing. So we'll start with the stuffing now. So we'll take a spoon and a dollop of potato. And we'll stuff it. Stuffing done, and same goes for the second tomato. Now that we have stuffed the tomatoes, we are going to be adding some cheese on the top. When we put it in the oven and it starts to melt, the top will stick because of the cheese. Seal it. So our stuffed tomatoes are ready. Lightly brushed with butter. And once the brushing is done, you take the stuffed tomatoes, the exterior of which also I have lightly brushed with butter, and you put it on the tray. We're putting this in the oven. So we're giving it on 180 for about 15 minutes. So this is also an experiment for us because we haven't really done this. So let's see, this could be done in 10, this could be done in 15. We'll have to keep checking the tomatoes. Also, you have to remember that it depends on your oven and the amount that you are doing. Since we have a small batch, we're going for a 10 to 15, and depending on how it turns out, we'll see. Okay, so the tomatoes are out from the oven. As you can see, they are nicely done and really soft to touch, which tells us that the tomatoes are perfectly done. So 15 minutes is the ideal time. Now what I will do is cut it open, garnish it and serve it. Okay, I can smell the tomatoes that are beautifully done. The potatoes smell very good. And now we will garnish it. So we have the fried onions. So we'll add some of the fried onions on top. They add a nice caramelly flavor to the dish. So I think we put something together and it looks nice.
Yeah, that was quite an experiment. When we started out, we thought we'll make a gravy with the cheese, the butter and the milk and put it with the stuffed tomato. But we improvised with the idea and we thought, why not make a dry dish?
Because less is better, and we have already managed to use all the ingredients in this. So
yeah, we have used all the 7. We have used all the 7 ingredients. What about the garnish? The coriander?
Oh, let's wait for it.
Looks like the stuffed tomatoes have been garnished with the coriander, and I must say it looks quite lovely, yaar. What do you think?
Try it.
Scared.
She's the guinea pig. What say?
Okay, let's go. It's actually not bad. I must say it's pretty good. We are being quite honest with the camera, by the way, guys. If you think that, you know, just for the camera we are saying all this, no, we are not doing that. We have made this ourselves at home. I think the salt is on a more side for me.
No,
It's on a higher side for me, for my personal taste.
Pratibha always has an issue with the salt.
Yeah.
Can't be helped.
नमक का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बट कोई बात नहीं. I think we enjoyed shooting the video. Absolutely loved it. The mystery ingredients challenge, for the first time we are doing something this unique and this experimental. Otherwise it's always a set recipe that we do. And
Like the video.
Please do share the video with your foodie friends.
Please do comment and let us know your feedback. Happy eating!
Tag your friends and challenge them to take this up.
It'll be fun to see what your friends come up with when given mystery ingredients.
Hi guys, subscribe to Rasoi Saga, it's free.
And subscribe to Rasoi Saga.
so now you guys know what to do. Let us meet you guys next week with a new video and a new recipe. Bye guys. See you guys. Stay home, stay safe.